Dear students, welcome to my class. So today I am going to discuss a new lesson which is position words. It's in page number 36. So position words means the words which tell us about the position of things. Those words are known as position words. You will get to know when I read the sentence. See here, all the highlighted words in, behind, on, under, near, in front of, on, in, behind, these are all position words. Means the words will tell us about the position of things. Means where they are sitting, or where is the house, or where is the bed. The word which is used to describe that particular thing's position is known as position words. See here, the words under, on, near, in front of and behind tell us about the position of things. They are called position words. So here are 6 position words which you will get in the exam these sentences. There are 9 sentences. Here you will be getting all the position words. See here, number 1, the clown is in the box. See, this is a clown and this is a box, and the clown is in the box. It is inside the box, no? So the word that is describing the position of the clown is in. So this is a position word. The clown is in the box. Next is, the sun is behind the cloud. See, this is the sun and the cloud is there. You see that the sun is behind the cloud. Cloud is in front of the sun. So where is the sun? The sun is behind the cloud. Behind means back. Next is, the frog is on the log. See here, this is a frog and this is a log, and the frog is on the log. So the word that is describing the position of the frog is on. See here, the frog is on the log. Next is, the boy is under the bed. See here, this is the bed, the purple one, and under the bed is a little boy who is peeping. So the word that is describing the position of the boy is under. Next is, there is a tree near the house. See, there is a tree and a house. And where is the tree? The tree is near the house. So the word that is describing the position of the tree is the word near. You can see in the picture also that the tree is near the house. Next is, there is a car in front of the house. See, there is a car and there is a house. Where is the car? The car is in front of the house. See, here is the house and here is the car. The car is in front of the house. So this is the position word, in front of. Next is, the girls are on the sofa. So this is the picture of a sofa, the pink one. There are 2 girls who are playing with the pillow. So where are the girls? There are 2 girls, no? There are 3 girls, but she is on the floor and the rest 2 of them are on the sofa. So the girls are on the sofa. You can see, look at the picture. So this is the position word. Next, the children are in the hot air balloon. See here, this is a hot air balloon and there are 3 people here, 3 children, and they are in this balloon. So the position is in. The position word is in. Next is, the cat is dash behind the curtain. This is the curtain. And where is the cat? See, the cat is peeping through behind the curtain. The curtain is in front of the cat. Here the question is, the cat, where is the cat? The cat is behind. Behind means back of the curtain. So these are all the position words. In, behind, on, under, near, in front of, on, in, behind. These are all position words. So the words under, on, near, in front of and behind tell us about the position of things. They are called position words. So these all are the position words which I have underlined, which describes the position of things. So for today, let's end the class here. In my next class, I shall discuss the remaining portions of this chapter. So thank you.